Good morning. Myself Shiny. Today I am going to explain on the topic solenoid. What is mean by solenoid? Solenoid. It is a coil insulated copper wire bound closely in a cylindrical form. It is a coil insulated copper wire. It is a coil insulated copper wire wound closely in a cylindrical form. That is solenoid. Okay, I drawn here one solenoid diagram here. This is a type of solenoid. Then, what are the features of this solenoid? What are the features of solenoid? Actually, we are using one iron core or whatever it is. After that, we are wrapping that copper wires. This connected with the battery and key. Then, key is closed, current is passes through this circuit. Then inside the solenoid, here inside the solenoid, all field lines are parallel to each other. All field lines are parallel to each other. That means it is uniform magnetic field. It is uniform magnetic field. Parallel to each other, it is uniform magnetic field. That means it is very strong magnetic field inside the solenoid. Inside the solenoid, magnetic field lines starting from south to north. Outside, it is non-uniform magnetic field. Not equal distance, not in same direction. Non-uniform magnetic field lines, non-uniform magnetic field. It is non-uniform. That means weak magnetic field. Not a parallel. Then it is starting from north to south. Inside it is south to north, outside it is north to south. Then features, first feature is magnetic field inside a long solenoid is uniform. Uniform means it is parallel, very strong magnetic field. Second is outside non-uniform. Non-uniform means not equal distance, not equal direction, not in same direction. Then it is weak magnetic field. Third one, inside south to north, outside it is north to south. Last point, magnetic field of the solenoid resembles the magnetic field of the bar magnet. Magnetic field of this solenoid is similar to, equal to this magnetic field of bar magnet. These are the features of solenoid. Then, what is the uses of solenoid? What are the uses? Okay. If you are using inside one material, what happens? Current is passing through this circuit. Inside this iron core, if you are using, that will magnetize the material. Which material we are using? That material will magnetize. Magnetize the material. That type of magnet is known as electromagnet. That type of magnet is known as electromagnet. Electromagnets. When a soft iron bar is placed inside a solenoid. Solenoid means we are already told it is a coil insulated copper wire wound closely in a cylindrical form. We have shown that diagram also. Then when a soft iron bar is placed inside a solenoid, we are keeping one iron bar inside a solenoid. Carrying current connected with the battery, automatically key is closed, current is passing through this circuit, solenoid. It becomes magnet. That time it becomes magnet as long as the current flows through the solenoid. Continuously current is passing through that solenoid, it becomes like a magnet. That magnet is known as electromagnet. Then key is open, it is not a magnet. Actually, electromagnet is also known as temporary magnet. It is not a permanent magnet. Bar magnet is an example of permanent magnet. This is temporary magnet. Electromagnet is a temporary magnet. We have to use one iron bar. Afterwards, copper wire we have to wrap it with it, connected with the battery and key. We are passing that a key is closed, current is passing through that circuit, then it becomes like a magnet. That magnet is known as electromagnet. How to increase the strength of electromagnet? How to increase the strength of electromagnet? First, what you have to do? Increase the current. We have to increase the current. If you are using one more rheostat, we can see also ammeter also we are using. We can see the current, amount of current. We have to increase the current. Then second point is we are using that number of turns. That number of turns, if you are increasing, strength of the magnet also will increase. How to increase the strength of a magnet, electromagnet? First point is increase the current. Second point is increase the number of turns. The next step, what are the uses of electromagnet? Where we have to use? Solenoid, we know that inside that magnetize the material we can use. But what are the uses of this electromagnet? First, it is used to lift heavy iron pieces. It is used to lift something. That means in cranes we are using this type of electromagnet. If we want to carry something, we can use this electromagnet. It is used to lift heavy iron pieces. Second point is it is used in electric bulbs, electric motor, microphones, radio, etc. Radio, microphones, electric bulb. Inside we are using this electromagnet. That is what are the difference between electromagnet and permanent magnet? Electromagnet I already told. If you are using one iron bar, then after that wrapped with the copper coil connected with battery and key. Current is passing through that iron bar. Then what happened? This is electromagnet. Electromagnet. What are the difference between electromagnet and a permanent magnet? Permanent magnet, one example is bar magnet. First is it gives strong magnetic field. We are connecting with battery, we can increase the strength of current. Then if you are increasing the strength of current, automatically we will get strong magnetic field. Then in this case, permanent magnet, that means weak magnetic field. We are using that bar magnet, that means it's a magnetic field is weak, that is permanent, we can't change. Here we are increasing that number of turns, we are increasing current, it will increase, we will get strong magnetic field. But here is permanent magnet. Okay, bar magnet is a permanent magnet, we can't increase the strength. It is a weak strength only, weak magnetic field only, that is also permanent. Next point is polarity can change. Here is polarity cannot change. That means if we are using that, first is positive side, then it will be north to south. Second we are connection we can change. That means another cell, negative end we have to connect it with the cell. Then polarity will change south to north. But here is a polarity cannot change, it is a bar magnet. Okay, we can't change this polarity. Polarity cannot change. Here we can change the polarity, north to south direction we can change by changing the cell positive and negative. Next, last point is it is demagnetized. It cannot be demagnetized. That means here why we are using that battery key. Then key is closed, that time current is passing through that, then magnetize the material, electromagnet. if we are taking out key, we are taking out, what happened? Current is cannot passing that circuit. Then it is demagnetized. Here we cannot be demagnetized. Cannot be demagnetized means it is permanent. If you want to magnetize, demagnetized means what you have to do while heating. Okay, it is easily we cannot be demagnetized. But here easily we can do, just remove the key connection. Then current is cannot passing through that circuit. There is no magnetic properties. These are the main difference between electromagnet and permanent magnet. Thank you. Tomorrow we will discuss on the topic force on a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic